What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Philly and this is my channel. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the broskies. Alright guys, by the title you guys already know that we are getting rid of my red 350Z. Red 350Z. Red 350Z. Broskies, we're gonna get rid of this paint job. You guys know I hate the red. I think it's time to change the color on it. And on today's video, we're gonna sand down the car. We're gonna prep it. We're gonna get it ready because on Sunday I'm gonna paint it. Today is Friday, so hopefully between today and tomorrow I can finish it up, have it all sanded down, and then early Sunday we're gonna spray the car. I have a bunch of 400s, but I kind of want to go down to not bare metal, but like close to the metal. So 400 is not gonna cut it. I'm gonna need like a 300 or a 220, 320 around there. The car doesn't have any dents. These are like the major scratches that it has. It's cracked right there, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Or you know what, actually I have a new one over there, a new fender. Shout out to Harvey, Crown Carbon Crafting. Other than that, I might do the new bumper, or I might not. I kind of like it how it looks like this. Battle scars, you know. This wing is gonna go. So my buddies from 1820 Motorsport, these guys right here, they're gonna send me a brand new Rocket Bunny wing, but the wing they're gonna send me is gonna go all the way to the bottom. You guys see how this one, the fitment is not all that good. So we're gonna get rid of this one and then get a new one. So other than that, should be cool. I'm gonna remove the louvers. Hopefully I can take them off. What else? Yep, I'm gonna paint the whole car. So the color I'm gonna be doing on the 350Z is gonna be all black, and then I'm gonna throw some flakes. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I did a poll. I was asking you guys if you guys wanted me to do gold or silver flakes. Silver flakes is this one. Check it out. And then the gold flakes, Daniel Sands' car has it. My buddies from SoCal Sideways have it. So I don't know. A lot of you guys want me to do gold, so I might do gold. I might do silver. I don't know. I guess you guys are gonna have to find out till Sunday or when I reveal the color. But for sure, I'm gonna do black, and then I'm still undecided on what color flake I should do, but let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see silver flakes or gold flakes. Down in the comments. I just love how this puppy sounds on cold starts. Pretty good, pretty good. I think I need some test pipes though. I think it'll sound way better. Kind of like a Porsche or a Ferrari or a Civic. Nah. Alright broski, so I just picked up the 220 grit sandpaper. I got a few cause we might do Angel's car, Baby's car, and Christian's car. So 370Z, IS300, and then the other red 350Z. So 17 bucks, not bad at Harbor Freight. I think it's like 20 bucks, $19.99, but then I used the 20% off code, and then it came out to 17 bucks. Not bad. Hi, can I have a steak breakfast burrito?
A steak breakfast burrito?
Yes.
Breakfast burrito, steak, anything else?
And then let me get a hamburger combo.
Hamburger combo. What type of drink?
Let me get a Coke.
Anything else?
And then no onion and no tomato, please.
No onion, no tomato. You want cheese or no?
No cheese.
Okay. What that here?
And then let me have. Can I get one pancake?
Just one piece of pancake?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Broskies, I'm so excited because you guys have no idea how much I hate the red on my 350. Can't believe I lasted a whole year with that paint job. For those of you that don't know, I painted it red because I was planning on selling the car, and I ended up keeping it. I ended up sliding it, having fun with it, so that's why. But I really wanted to sell it when I first got it, but then my 240 truck took a crap, and then I had no drift car, so the 350Z turned into my drift car, my fun car. So that's the reason. Or else, if I knew I was gonna keep that car, I would have fucking done a different color. But like I said, I thought I was gonna sell it, and ended up keeping it. Gracias. ¿Es todo?
Sí,
Sí.
el burrito va ahí donde está.
Ok, gracias. Vámonos. Check it out, broskies. Check out this animalote right here. Damn. First bite. Pretty bomb. But check out what I'm watching though. Cletus McFarlane. So we bought an abandoned racetrack. Sick ass racetrack. Sick ass fool.
Long story short,
Perro
we
ass
stepped
fool.
up to the plate. We put everything we.
Alright, broskies. There's no more going back. There's no turning back now. Alright, broskies, I'm pretty much done. Check it out. Check out the roof though. Right here, this shit was hard to sand down right here, but it's all nice and smooth already. Check it out. The whole car is sanded down. I took off the tail lights, I took off the bash bar, I took off the emblems because you guys roasted me the first time I painted it. You guys were like,
How come you didn't take off the emblems? Why'd you paint over them?
and what else did I take off? That's pretty much it. But yeah, check it out. She's nice and sanded down. I'm not gonna do the hood because this hood is gonna go on Angel's car, and I'm not sure if Angel wants to go black. He's gonna go black, but not sure if he's gonna do flakes, so I don't know. Once I'm done painting my car, I'm just gonna throw back my carbon fiber hood, and that's about it. But yeah, broskies, tomorrow on the next video I'm gonna take off the headlights, and that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna take it to get painted, We're gonna be going to Photo Junkie's house. We went to his house last time. I think we painted the quarter panels for the 370Z, remember? That silver 370Z. We're gonna go to his house. He's gonna let me borrow his garage. But yeah, broskies, car's pretty much ready to be sprayed. I'm gonna trailer it to his house, and then we're gonna, when we get there, we're gonna mask the whole car and then just paint it. So yep, we good. I'm excited. You guys have no idea how excited I am, broskies. Alright, broskies, if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like and comment down below. Comment down below. Let me know if I should do gold flakes or silver flakes. So I have both. I have gold and we have silver flakes. So up to you guys. Whatever you guys want to see is what I'm gonna do. Alright, so with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Peace out, broskies, and I'll see you guys next time.